Hey everyone, today we'll be walking through problem number 28 from chapter 9 of the textbook, which asks us, in what cases would intellectual property laws hinder innovation? So if we think about this logically, if these laws are too strict or too lenient, essentially if they are too weak or too strong, they would definitely hinder innovation. So if they're too weak, then what would happen is that innovation would become less. I'll just give a brief example. If we had weaker patent laws in place, then people would innovate less. That's just a simple matter of fact. So that's one end of the spectrum. But on the other end of the spectrum, it could also be too strict, these intellectual property laws, or too strong in nature, too essentially forceful with how they go about things. And what results from this is, if we examine it a little bit closer, we'll see that too strong intellectual property laws might hinder innovation because then firms just work to use too much innovation for only profit. So in the market, a firm will often, with too strong intellectual property laws, use too much innovation because that's the only way that they can basically make a good profit. And this is only to get a profit, really. That's their main source, anyways. I mean, their main source of inspiration for starting a firm is to make a profit. So it goes without saying, but I'll just write it. They're only having too much innovation going on for profit. So they can essentially just make more money. So there you have it. If intellectual property laws are too weak or too strong on both ends of the spectrum, if they're too extreme essentially, then that could result in less innovation or more innovation. So there are your answers circled in red. If you guys enjoyed my video explanation, please hit the like button next to it. I hope you all have a nice day, and thanks for tuning in today. Bye.